In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to prepare financial statements in Xero step by step. We'll walk through the profit and loss statement, the balance sheet, and the cash flow statement. And I'll show you how to customize the dates and export them properly. If you're a business owner, bookkeeper, or accounting student, this is an essential skill to master. Make sure your underlying data is accurate and up to date before running reports, because your financial statements are only as good as the information inside your system. And if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more practical Xero tutorials. Let's get started. First, log into your Xero account and start from the home page dashboard. Before generating any financial statements, quickly review your bank reconciliations, invoices, and expense entries to ensure everything has been recorded correctly. Clean data ensures accurate reporting. Now, let's prepare the profit and loss statement, also known as the income statement. From the top menu, click on Reporting, then select Profit and Loss. Once the report opens, choose your desired date range. For example, you can select this year, last month, or set a custom date range depending on your reporting needs. After selecting the correct period, click Update to refresh the report. Xero will automatically calculate your income, cost of goods sold, expenses, and net profit for that period. Review the figures carefully to ensure everything looks correct. When you're ready to share or save the report, click Export and choose either PDF or Excel format. PDF is ideal for sharing with stakeholders, while Excel is better for further analysis. Next, let's generate the balance sheet. Again, go to Reporting in the top menu, and this time select Balance Sheet. The balance sheet shows your assets, liabilities, and equity at a specific point in time. Instead of a date range, you'll choose an as-of date. This represents a snapshot of your financial position on that particular day. Select the appropriate date, such as the end of the financial year, then click Update. Review your totals to ensure assets equal liabilities plus equity. Once confirmed, click Export to download the report in your preferred format. Finally, let's prepare the cash flow statement. Go back to Reporting and select the Statement of Cash Flows. Choose your desired date range, just like you did for the Profit and Loss report. Click Update to generate the report. This statement shows how cash moved in and out of your business through operating, investing, and financing activities. It's especially useful for understanding liquidity and cash management. After reviewing the report, click Export to save it as a PDF or Excel file. And that's it. You've now successfully prepared the 3 core financial statements in Xero: the profit and loss statement, the balance sheet, and the cash flow statement. Always remember to verify your data before running reports. Select the correct dates and review figures carefully before exporting. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss future Xero accounting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.